Here and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, there's my beloved Cibulan port and karong adlaw mula ang nasadta sa usa sa lungsod sa Cebu. O kaning lungsura ginatawag ni siya og summer capital and vegetable basket of Cebu. Do you have any idea where will I be going? Apart from that, this town is also known as the highest or home of the highest peaks in the island, and I'll be showing you some of the peaks and places and things to do in that town. So stick around, I'll see you when I see you. Bye. Heading out to Osmeña Peak, so stay tuned. Siya, what?
me warm you up. Oh baby please, let me love you much. Baby, baby, don't be cold, I will warm you. Every day I reach out swing as a heart, baby. Let me warm you up. Let me love you much. Baby, don't hold back, get me. Enjoy your life, try to be happy. Come on with me, baby. Oh, oh, oh. Never ever leave without me. Baby, now let me warm you up. Baby, please, let me love you much. Baby, baby, don't be cold, I will warm you. Every day I reach out to you, baby. Let me warm you up. Love you much. You found me happy, you leave me happy. Every day I like to go far with you. that you're gone, I spend my nights all alone here, wishing you were here, sweet atmosphere. The sun is going down and I am getting wild. It's sun are going down, my intentions are mild. You know it, babe, I'm a dangerous woman, but I just wanna make you feel like a real man. You know it, babe, sometimes I'm scared of you, I love you. I just wanna get
medyo medungawan because it's foggy. Good morning, Kajumegs! Maayong buntag, Kajumegs! Jordan here and welcome back to my channel. So karon, mula ang nasagta sa usa sa lungsod sa Cebu o kani nga lungsura, mo na siya gitawag na vegetable basket o I don't know yet, but we'll just try this.